So these two balls of blue royal, they are the one that I'm going to use for the custom made crochet top. Actually each ball is 100% acrylic TK, and I'm going to do a front tie top. These other colors, actually I'm just trying to check the other best yarn colors that I'm going to use for the next personal projects. Just stay tuned, I'm going to reveal those other ones. Most of these other yarn that are this side, actually these ones are perfect for making some winter stuffs or maybe scrunchies because they are kind of like so fluffy, but I'm not really interested in these other kind of creamy ones. These are perfect colors actually for my next also personal projects that are also coming. I like these two colors. Since they're also looking nice on camera, which means I'll try to make some tutorials using these colors. Pink being my favorite color, but seems not to be popping right on camera, so I'm not going to use it. So these other purple variations are also nice. I might come use also some other ones. This pink is not really popping out nice on camera, so I'm not going to use it. All these yarns are all 100% acrylic TK yarn, and each ball is 100 gram actually, and the brand is called Charity. These yarns are perfect for all project types. And this royal blue, they are the one that I'm going to use for this custom made project, and this is the top that's used for inspiration. For the materials, I'm going to use 200 gram, of which each one is 100 gram, a scissor, 4mm crochet hook, and a measuring tape. And for the yarn, I'm going to start off by pulling the middle part and try to find the yarn end. I'm going to start off by making the slip knot inside the hook inside and chain 250 because I'm going to make size small, which is having 32 bust size. I tried to mark every 100th stitch actually just to keep track of my work. Make double crochet into the second chain from the hook. Then single crochet into the next chain, double crochet into the next chain, single crochet into the next chain, and just continue alternating between those two because I'm using a lemon peel stitch. Just continue doing that all the way until end of the chain. Single crochet into that last chain, chain 1, turn your work. The turning chain 1 does not condense a stitch. Make a double crochet into that very first stitch from the hook, single crochet into the next stitch. Actually, I'm just going to do like this. In the previous stitch where you have placed the single crochet, now you are going to make a double crochet. In the previous stitch where you have placed the single crochet, you're going to place a double crochet, and just continue doing that all the way until the end. At the end, chain 1, turn your work, and just repeat round 2 until you're satisfied with the size of your top. Or, like in my case, I'm going to continue doing that until my top measures at least 7 to 8 inches long.